Okay, so we've had some kind of police operation going on for the last
2 days.
2 days.
2 full days.
2 full days, yeah, with
Not part days.
multiple police vehicles from different departments. There's Segundo right there. We've had Torrance,
Hawthorne.
Hawthorne, Gardena.
Yep.
We've had drones circling all night.
Yep.
And SWAT teams,
Are you
multiple
taking
SWAT
pictures
teams.
now?
Yeah, I am.
Do you want to stop so we can take a good picture?
Sure, yeah. Yeah, so we want to document this because we haven't found anything on Twitter or Facebook or,
Do you want to take a picture? Have you taken a picture?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, we're doing video.
Oh, you're doing video.
Yeah.
And you're recording your voice.
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Can't walk along this line, sir.
Okay.